It's recording.
Yes, I do. If I can't, I will never live that down, will I?
We're gathered here at this time in the presence of this company, Tomika and Kaita, in the bonds of lawful matrimony, which is an honorable estate not to be entered into lightly, or unadvisedly, but reverently, discreetly, upon sober and mature consideration, and having in mind the holy nature of this bond assumed. Tomika, do you take Kaita's to be your wedded spouse, to live together in the ordinances of the estate of matrimony? Do you love her, comfort her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keeping only unto her for so long as you both shall live?
I will.
Kaita, do you take Tomika to be your wedded spouse, to live together in the ordinances and the estate of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, keep you only to her for as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Tomika, do you take Kaita to be your wedded spouse, to live together in the ordinance of the estate of matrimony?
I do.
Kaita, do you take Tomika to live in the, to be your wedded spouse, to live in the ordinance of the estate of matrimony?
I do.
Now, how do you want to do the rings? You want to set your flowers down?
We did want to mention some Bibles.
Yeah, I was going to get to that.
That's coming in.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, well, while we do that now then, Tomika, you have something to say to Kaita?
I do. That's memorized it. Kaita, you have given me more than words can express, but here's my temple. Selflessly, without the promise of security, every day you give me love, you give me respect. You help me to see when I cannot, and you help me find my way when I am lost. You turn my chaos into stability. Every day you put me and my daughter first. You make our house a home, and you turned our two into a three, into a family. And today, to you, the beautiful mother of my children, I promise you security. I promise you love. I promise you respect and stability. I promise to help you find your way when you are lost and be your eyes when you cannot see. I promise to put you first. I promise you a family. Our family. To laugh, love, and celebrate our legacy today and every day until our days exist no more. I love and respect you, and I am proud to be yours.
Kaita, you have something to say to me?
Like I said. My dear Tamika, everyone says everything happens for a reason. And for years I've searched for that reason. And then I met you and Jada. Sorry. And suddenly everything made sense. Tamika, I love you, and I dedicate my life to you and Jada and our family. I promise to always be there for you when times are great and when times are rough. When you're sick and when you're okay. I will always respect you and your heart and promise to belong to you and Jada forever. Thank you for making my life complete.
Tomika, will you now take your spouse's right hand and repeat after me?
Thank you.
Tomika, take thee, Kaida,
I, Tamika, take thee, Kaida,
to be my wedded spouse,
to be my wedded spouse,
to have and to hold
to have and hold,
from this day forward, for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
And I shall pledge unto you.
And I so pledge unto you.
Kaida, will you take your spouse's right hand and repeat after me? I, Kaida, take Tomika to be my wedded spouse,
to be my wedded spouse,
to have and to hold
to have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
to death do us part.
And so I pledge unto you.
And so I pledge unto you.
Tomika, will you now place the ring on the finger of your spouse's left hand and repeat after me? With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed,
I thee wed,
and with all my worldly goods,
and with all my worldly goods,
I thee endow.
I thee endow.
May this ring serve
May this ring serve
as a reminder of our love
as a reminder of our love
when we are absent from each other.
when we are absent from each other.
Kaida, will you now place the ring on your spouse's left hand and repeat after me? With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed,
I thee wed,
and with all my worldly goods,
and with all my worldly goods,
I thee endow.
I will endow.
May this ring
May this ring
serve as a reminder
serve as a reminder
of our love
of our love
when we are absent from each other.
when we are absent from each other.
Tomika and Kaida have been joined together in lawful wedlock, and have witnessed the same before this company, and thereto have pledged unto each other. I have declared by the same of the joining of the hands and the giving and the receiving of the ring. I, in accordance with the authority vested in me by the laws of the state of New York, pronounce that you are partners for life. Congratulations. You did a good job there, young lady. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Here, here. Oh, man, here.
You didn't call. It's okay. It's okay.
I wish you were here, Andrew.
You were too nervous. It's okay.
Huh?
I said you were too nervous. Yeah. Stop.